The Addmotor Spytan M-320 is a modern electric reverse trike built for riders seeking stability, power, and practical utility in daily transportation. Powered by a 750-watt brushless motor with a peak output of 1,400 watt and 90 Nm of torque, the Trike delivers strong acceleration and reliable hill climbing performance while reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with minimal effort. Its 48-volt 20Ah Samsung battery system provides an impressive riding range of up to 90 miles when using low pedal assist, making it suitable for long-distance commutes and recreational rides. One of its standout features is the reverse trike configuration with two front wheels and heliflush suspension, which greatly improves balance, cornering stability, and rider confidence compared to traditional two-wheel e-bikes. Fat tires further enhance traction and comfort across different road conditions. Designed with convenience in mind, the Spytan M-320 features a foldable aluminum frame that simplifies storage and transportation. It also includes a front cargo rack capable of carrying up to 80 pounds, making it useful for groceries, packages, or even small pets. Safety and control are reinforced through the inclusion of triple disc brakes, a parking brake system, an LCD display for monitoring ride information, and a tail light system for better visibility. Combining performance, comfort, cargo capacity, and advanced safety features, the Addmotor Spytan M-320 offers a versatile and dependable solution for urban commuting and leisure riding. Priced at approximately $2,199, it presents a competitive option in the growing market of electric tricycles.